everyone, welcome to Flavors and Fragrance Recipes. So today in my kitchen I am going to make Sabudana Khichdi. So I have taken this Sabudana now and I am going to wash it nicely, remove the starch, and then I am going to soak this Sabudana for at least minimum of 6 hours. And if you want to, you can even soak it for one night. You have to make sure that you clean it nicely so that all starch is removed properly. Wash my sabudana nicely. See, it's looking like this now. The starch is removed and I'm going to add 3/4 cup of water. Just 3/4 cup, how much ever it's covering the entire sabudana. And now I'm going to keep this for at least minimum 6 hours, or you can keep it overnight. And then we will make Sabudana Khichdi. Okay? So let it soak. Okay, so this is the next day and now this is how our sabudana is looking. It's very nice, soaked whole night, and now we are going to make our Sabudana Khichdi. Okay, so to this first I'm going to put my peanut powder. I have already roasted my peanut powder, so I'm going to put that. This is as per your taste, how much you want, and depending on the quantity of your sabudana. I'm going to make the sabudana with red chili and not green chili, so I'm going to put that also here, and I'm also going to put my salt. And now we are going to mix this, and then we will go and start making our khichdi in our pan. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, so I've taken a pan and now I'm going to put my ghee. We are going to make this Sabudana Khichdi in ghee. 1 to 2 tablespoons of ghee. My gas is on slow, and I'm also going to add 1 green chili. Now first let's add our asafoetida, that is hing. And then I'm going to put jeera, 1/2 to 1 teaspoon of jeera, 1 green chili, and to this we are going to add some potatoes. I like potatoes in my Sabudana Khichdi. I'm going to increase the flame a bit high. Let it splutter. And we put our potatoes. I have taken 1 medium-sized potato over here, and we will just fry this potato. I'm going to cover it. I want my potatoes to be cooked. I need to cook these potatoes, and then we will add our sabudana that we have mixed with salt and red chili. Okay, so let's cover this and cook it till it's done. Okay, so it's been 10-15 minutes and now I'm going to check. My potatoes are looking like this, and now we are going to add our sabudana. Okay, gas is still on slow. I have to add sugar still, but let's first mix it. And now we are going to cover this and again let it cook for some 10 minutes. I like this red chili Sabudana Khichdi. Even the green chili is good, but I like this. Do try this in your home and let me know in the comments if you like the recipe, and let me also know what else you want me to cook, and I'll do that. Subscribe to my channel and share this recipe with your family and friends. Hit the bell notification so that you get to know when I'm posting videos. So let's just cover this and cook it for another 10 minutes. Okay, let me just add my sugar. I have to add my sugar. So I'll be adding 1 small teaspoon. I don't like it very sweet, so very small teaspoon. And we will mix it. I can smell very good khichdi smell. And it's almost done. The key to Sabudana Khichdi is that the water should be appropriate. First, drain it 4-5 times, take out the starch and just put 3/4 cup of water for half or 1 cup of sabudana. That's more than enough, and you can even soak it for 6 hours or overnight, whatever you want. I have soaked it for overnight. So let's cook this for another 5 minutes and we are good to go. We have to just garnish it with coriander leaves. Okay, so let's check our khichdi and now let's garnish it with chopped coriander leaves. Yummy. Serve hot and enjoy with your loved ones. Try this recipe in your kitchen and let me know. Until next time, it's bye from Deepali. See you soon with another interesting, tasty recipe. Till then, take care. Okay, so let me show you the khichdi. See this. See how nice, free flowing it is. It's not sticky at all. If you make the khichdi like this, the way I told you with the water measurements and everything, all the instructions, your khichdi will be like this. Free flowing, very tasty, no stickiness at all. Enjoy this with your loved ones.